In this video, we are going to be talking about stars that actually touch each other. These stars really exist in our universe, and I'm going to name a few of them. If this is your first time here, and you want to learn more about space, black holes and all that space stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't have to miss anything space related. So let's start, shall we? There are trillions and trillions of stars in the observable universe. Out of these trillions and trillions of stars, there are stars with planets orbiting around them, like the Sun. And there are stars that orbit each other, and these stars that orbit each other are called binary stars. Astronomers have found star systems with 2 or even 3 stars found orbiting one another. But the thing that fascinates astronomers is that, can stars orbit so close that they actually start touching each other, as is shown in this video? The answer to this is yes, absolutely. Believe it or not, there are stars in the universe that are actually sticked to each other. These stars are called contact binary stars, and they are the main topic of this video. These stars come closer and closer to such an extent that they actually partake in a cosmic kiss. These stars are rare, but so far we have found few of these sticking stars. Confirmed contact binary stars include stars located in the Large Magellanic Cloud, BV382, B8 Centauri. These stars are not a part of science fiction. They really exist. You might be thinking, why don't these stars go supernova? I mean, they are sticking to each other, right? This question makes sense. What happens in these star systems is simple. A large star is at the center and a tiny puny star is orbiting around it. As time passes, they come close. Usually, when they come close, they actually collide with each other and explode. But in the case of contact binary stars, the explosion does not occur suddenly. Instead, the stars happen to be glued to one another. Well, these stars are so close to each other that they actually share an atmosphere. They also merge and explode, but when these two touching stars blow up, it becomes so bright that it actually becomes easily visible through modern telescopes in space. But they do not explode like any other stars would do. Contact binary stars actually explode as a red nova rather than a supernova. Red novas are a whole different topic for this video, and I will cover them in some other video. These stars will live out their lives orbiting around one another, and they will, one day, collide and release gravitational waves, and probably turn into a black hole as well. So what if our sun was stick to some other star? What if we actually had stars in the solar system that were practically touching each other? Well, even in the proximity of 2 hot and compact stars orbiting each other, Earth and all the other planets would do just fine. If the positioning of the 2 stars are correct, Earth can survive, but it won't survive for long. This is because these touching stars are unpredictable and might explode at any time. If you have any more questions related to this topic, drop them down in the comments below. You can like this video if it helped you. Moreover, you can subscribe to this channel for more space videos. Until then, peace out.